Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text reflection effect in VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and I'm going to choose video based. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the stocks menu and select this background. Okay, and then I'm going to change the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose this one guys, 16:9 ratio. Alright, and wait, let me delete the ending. And I'm going to add text to this project. So I'm going to click on text option here and select text, and then I'm going to add a heading, and I'm going to type in reflection. Okay, and you can change the font if you want. Just go to the font menu here if you want to change the font. Okay, and then I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to save this video to my device. We're going to save the text video, and then we're going to go back to our project. I'm going to choose this project, and then we're going to add text. Wait. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to add text to this video. The text video we have just exported. I'm going to add it to this project. I'm going to click on this PIP, select photos or videos, and import the text video we have just saved. And then I'm going to click on the fill icon to fit the screen. Where is it? Okay, this one. And then I'm going to flip it like this, and we can drag it down, and we're going to add mask. Select the mask, select the linear mask, and then we can adjust the feather like this. Wait. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Wait, let me move it down. Okay, and wait, I'm going to adjust it one more time. Okay, and yeah, this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.